What if I told you that some of the most humble-looking plants could cost you more than your smartphone or even your rent? These aren't your average garden succulents. Behind their quirky shapes and compact forms lie jaw-dropping price tags, fueled by rarity, slow growth, and exotic origins. Let's uncover the world's most expensive succulents and why collectors will do just about anything to get their hands on them. Tulista Haworthia is a sculptural beauty that may look simple, but it can command a price of over $300. Its plump light green leaves with glossy, bumpy tubercles make it look like it's carved from gemstone. It's not just rare, it's nearly impossible to find in perfect condition. Think you've seen strange? Well, Haworthia breaks every rule of what a plant should be. This ancient desert dweller looks like a tangle of torn ribbons, but a single seed can cost over $100. A mature specimen? That's $700 out of your pocket if you can even locate one. Bayeri Haworthia's dark, glassy leaves are so mesmerizing, it's hard to believe they're real. But this little plant's slow growth and unusual leaf structure drive prices into the $200 range. It's a collector's dream and a beginner's heartbreak. Reddish-brown and compact, Colmaniorum Haworthia is a rosette-forming succulent that grows at a glacial pace. That's part of what makes it so expensive, with price tags hovering around $150 to $200. Some call it ugly. Collectors call it gold. Greenenwaldii Haworthia was discovered on a remote South African farm. The succulent stuns with its soft curves and shark skin texture. Though not the priciest on this list, it's still valued at $100 to $150 due to its rarity and perfect symmetry. Don't be fooled by the name. Onion Haworthia doesn't smell like onions. It hides under a canopy of dried leaves during dormancy, forming a protective umbrella. Unique and solitary, it often costs up to $120 depending on the specimen. Fleshy, geometric, and incredibly rare. Little Jewel's compact form gives it a gemstone-like appeal. It's not just hard to find, it's almost never sold in large quantities, which makes it one pricey little jewel in the succulent world. Peyote is a cactus that isn't just expensive, it's also controversial. Known for its psychedelic compounds, peyote is illegal in many places, except for ceremonial use. If you can find one legally, expect to pay $400 or more. They may look like stones, but living pebbles are alive and pricey. These tiny, drought-tolerant plants can cost around $40, with rare forms and mature clusters priced much higher due to their slow growth. Its star-shaped body and red-orange flowers give it cosmic appeal. 7-star cactus is endangered, and that pushes its price into the $50 to $120 range. It thrives on neglect, just don't neglect its value. With papery thin spines and segmented stems, paper spine cactus looks like it came from an alien world. It also comes with a $150 to $200 price tag. Rare, fragile, and incredibly unique. Spotted like bird eggs. Plover eggs is an unusual succulent that has speckled leaves and compact growth. It's not something you'll see every day. The rarity can cost you up to $60. If plant teeth existed, this would be it. Pebbled tiger jaws has jagged leaf edges and sun-loving blooms. It looks fierce, and at $60, it's priced accordingly for its unique appearance and bold character. Helene aloe, a columnar aloe, is endangered and blooms with vibrant flowers, making it both beautiful and rare. Prices hover around $80. But its conservation status means it may soon be priceless. Aptly named, the horse's teeth Haworthia is a succulent that grows in rows of flat-topped leaves that look like molars. Each plant is different, and at $50 to $90, it's one of the more budget-friendly gems on this list with elite collector energy. Twisting, curly, and dramatic. Trachyandra tortilis plant leaves spiral like party streamers. Native to Madagascar and South Africa, its sculptural form can fetch up to $100. Art lovers adore it. Minimalists, even more so. Sansevieria masoniana, also called Mason's Congo. The snake plant cousin has giant paddle-like leaves that stand tall and proud. Growing up to 3 feet, it costs anywhere from $80 to $160. It's bold, resilient, and stunning in modern homes. So now you know, succulents aren't just cute and easy to care for. Some of them are luxury investments wrapped in dusty leaves. Which one blew your mind the most? Don't forget to like this video, share it with a plant lover, and hit that subscribe button. We've got more botanical secrets coming your way.